say. That's my brother.
We had a hell of a night last
Nestor. Tommy. Aiden. Water bottle.
Everybody's
tent.
tired.
Yeah, see?
Everybody is tired. Look at my eyes. Yeah. Oh yeah, that was Alex.
It's a
We're gonna
future
have a-
football star right there.
We're gonna have a better night tonight. Yeah.
Better than yesterday.
Yeah.
A lot of fine ass beaches here.
Let's get out of here. Out of here!
I'm Steven. That's Steven right there. What? I'm just recording.
Wait. I'm not gonna hit you. Come here.
That's a way to start off the video.
You taking your boots?
Yeah. We getting water?
Where are you going? I said what?
Boots. Fat Jesus. Are we?
We are? Yeah, we're going this way. Are we going right or left?
This
You're
way.
the leader. Alright, left. This way?
Walk in front of us.
Which way?
Whenever you're the leader, you gotta walk in front.
What are we going over here for? We're going in the water.
Why? We're swimming again?
We're going left?
What?
I thought we were going climb.
Oh, yeah.
Crossing the
I can't say there, we're gonna go up there. Oh.
crossing the border.
You know how long it's gonna take to upload this video? A long ass time. I don't want to swim in there. Looks like shit. I really hate human beings. Oh, they got all their fucking trash in there. Fucking diaper. They're like, don't worry, didn't spill my beer.
Yeah, didn't spill it.
This is Dr. Pepper. Alright.